English Activation Pack. Activating your English skills. What are English Activation Packs? I've designed English Activation Packs to activate your English skills. English Activation Packs are self-contained courses looking at a particular aspect of English. English Activation Packs are unlike anything you've ever seen before. Rather than me telling you what an English Activation Pack contains, explore this sample one and find out for yourself. Information. English Activation Packs contain all the information about a particular aspect of English that I feel you need to know. Depending on the subject, English Activation Packs can run to many dozens or even hundreds of pages. Some English Activation Packs contain as much text as a small book. As you can hear, English Activation Packs also have audio embedded in them. After you've studied the information in the English Activation Pack, you'll be able to move on to the self-test elements. Resources. Depending on the subject of the English Activation Packs, resources may be available from the menu at the top left. Resources include PDF files, MP3 files, and links to websites and multimedia. The resources are delivered via the Amazon cloud for maximum speed and reliability. Take a look at the sample resources in this English Activation Pack. Glossary. Learn new vocabulary easily. Where appropriate, I also include a glossary of new vocabulary in some English Activation Packs. The glossary gives you an easy reference for any new vocabulary and will help to quickly activate your English. Self-test elements. Some examples of interactive elements. Conversation simulations. Innovative English teaching at its best. Timelines. Another very useful tool. What next? What are you waiting for? You've just seen how amazing these English Activation Packs really are. So why not go and get some for yourself? You can pay what you want to pay. Thank you for your interest in my work. Goodbye for now.